Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn management. In today's session we are going to see about the human resources management. These are the topics covered in today's session: the meaning of HRM, definition of HRM, features of HRM, objectives of HRM, and importance of HRM. The previous session we saw what is human resources and what are all the importance of human resources in an organization. So the human resources are very significant in every organization. Human resources are the people who work in the organization. They may be the employees, workers, managers, and etc. Now let's see the meaning of human resources management. Human resources management means the process of accomplishing organizational objectives by acquiring, retaining, developing, terminating, and properly using the human resources of an organization. Which means the objective of any organization is to accomplish its goals. The role of employees is very important in achieving the organizational goals. So HRM includes these aspects, that is, acquiring, retaining, developing, terminating, and properly using the human resources. Acquiring means selecting the right person for the right job. Retaining means holding the person, making the person to stay in the organization and getting the work done from the person. Development means providing different training activities as well as education for the employees for their career development as well as for the development of the organization. Terminating means sending the person out from the organization. See, for example, if a person is not performing well in the organization and he is no more needed for the organization, at that time he will be sent out from his job. That is called as termination. So, human resources management includes acquiring, retaining, developing, terminating, and properly using the human resources to accomplish the organizational objectives. Now, let's see the definition of human resources management. Let's see the first definition. According to Mathis and Jackson, HRM is the effective use of human resources and organization through the management of people-related activities. Which is already we have seen that the human resources are supposed to be used properly in the organization for accomplishing the organizational goals. Now we'll see the features or characteristics of human resources management. The first feature is it's an element of management discipline. That is, human resources management is a part of management. Already we have seen, no? Management means it's an art of getting things done from others to achieve the organizational goals. The same way, human resources management, what we do in human resources management, we make the people to accomplish the task to achieve the organizational goals, right? The same thing. HRM is an element of management. The second feature is its universal application, which means the concept human resources management which is applicable in all the organizations. You go to any organization, they'll be having a separate department which is called as what? Human resources department. The human resources department will be there in all the organizations. The third feature is it's concerned with people, which means human resources management is all about managing the people who are working in the organization. The people are the workers, supervisors, managers, and any departmental heads. Right? No, they are the different human resources, and these human resources will be managed and controlled by the human resources department. The fourth feature is it's action oriented, which means the human resources management gives more importance to action rather than record keeping. For example, there is an issue arises between the employees. What the human resources department do? They immediately take action against the issue. and also they convince the employees to get back to their normal work. The fifth feature is directed towards achievement of objectives, which means in human resources management, it's all about achieving the goals of the organization. The sixth feature is integrating mechanism, which is nothing but creating a good interpersonal relationship between the employees as well as the employers and every employee whomever working inside the organization. So the people can work without having much issues and with a lot of happiness in their workplace. The seventh feature is development oriented, which means the human resources management, which is much focused on the development of the human resources. They provide different training and developmental activities to improve the knowledge as well as the skills of the people who work in the organization. Eighth feature is it's an ongoing process, which means there is no end for this human resources management. Human resources management will be there until the existence of the organization. The ninth feature is it's a comprehensive function, which means it includes all the aspects and elements of the human resources. The last feature is it's a pervasive function, which means it includes all the areas. We can say it includes all the departments of the organization. That's all about the features of human resources management. Now let's see the objectives of human resources management. First, human resources management provides employee satisfaction. How you know? Because employees who work in the organization, they will get a lot of training and developmental activities. It helps them in their career development also. Next, human resources management help in framing the organizational structure by defining the job of each and every employees who work in the organization according to the knowledge as well as the qualification of the employees. Third objective is employee discipline and morale, which means human resources management makes the people to follow the rules and regulations of the organization. So automatically the people who work in the organization will be disciplined. The next objective is goal harmony. Harmony means getting happiness. The human resources management bridges the gap between individual goal and the organizational goal. Next is development of human resources. Already we have seen development of human resources is developing the skills and knowledge of the human resources by providing different training and developmental programs. Next objective is effective utilization of resources. In human resources management, the employees are trained not to waste any resources of the organization. Effective utilization of resources help the organization in increasing the profit as well as the productivity. The last objective of human resources management is to respect all the human beings whomever working inside the organization. Now let's see the importance of human resources management. Human resources management is important to select the right person for the right job. Human resources management is important for the organization to provide training and development sessions to improve the skills and knowledge of the human resources. Human resources management is important for the efficient utilization of manpower and also to get things done from the human resources. Human resources management is important to provide performance appraisal based on the real performance of the human resources or the employees. Human resources management help the employees for career advancement by providing training and development sessions. Human resources management enhances the employee satisfaction. At the same time, it motivates the employees to retain in the organization. Human resources management helps the management and the employees to maintain with the proper interpersonal relationships. Human resources management cultivate the team spirit and teamwork among the employees. Also, human resources management helps the organization in optimum utilization of human resources. Today's session we have seen the meaning, definition, features, objectives, importance of human resources management. We'll meet again in the next session with another concept. Thank you all.